Again, no matter how good you are with writing, if you don't know, if you don't find clients fast, you won't be able to make any money as a freelance writer. So that's why in this lesson, we are going to talk about how to pitch clients. So pitching means you're selling your services. Pitching means you're selling your services to the client. Now, during the introduction of this course, we talked about very many ways I think we talked about three or four ways to find clients. I introduced you to job boards, freelance marketplaces. And then, of course, we talked about social media, and that's where the networking comes in. Then we talked about cold email and businesses. Now, a good example of a job board is probloggerjobs.com/jobs. And then now the best example of a marketplace is Fiverr. So let me take you through these two. That's the job boards. So here you can find very many types of jobs, like the contract, freelance, full-time, and part-time. Now, if you're in Kenya, most of the time you want to look for freelance kind of jobs, and then so you take that freelance, and then of course you filter that, and then you can see now jobs that are that are hiring only freelancers. As you can see, this guy here, Shout Fox, they are hiring from anywhere. And then you can see of course, the description of what they are looking for, your responsibilities, and then of course the requirements. Then the compensation, as you can see, these guys will receive $45 per hour. If you look at today currency, that's almost 6,000 shillings per hour. Now, here they provide the information on how to apply, and then of course you need to register as a candidate to apply for this job. So it looks like you need to have a ProBlogger account to apply this. To do that, just click register, and then of course now provide a username, password, and then your first name, last name, email address, phone number, website, and then of course make sure you tick this privacy policy, show of course this one, and then upload your picture. Make sure you do that, your country, your state, zip code, resume, and all that. Fill everything here. Make sure you fill everything here to make it easier to apply for jobs. So that's an example of a job board. Just go to problogger.com/jobs and then keep browsing and apply for jobs. Another place you can find work is this place like Fiverr Marketplace. So Fiverr and Upwork are two of the most popular freelance marketplace, but they work differently. Here's what it means. Fiverr works this way. You go to Fiverr, open an account. So let me show you this one. So here you can see it says I will do SEO article writing or blog post writing for you. So let me open this profile of this lady. So I will do SEO article writing or a blog post writing for you. So that's how Fiverr works. You advertise yourself. On the contrary, when it comes to Upwork, you pitch or you paid on posted jobs. So as you can see here, this lady has created a profile, and it includes a slideshow of what she's selling. Yeah, it includes everything she's selling about the gig. So they call it gigs. Yeah, so you go to Fiverr and create a gig. It includes everything, what she's selling, why you should choose her, what services she's offering, and of course now the packages. So the Fiverr comes from the word five, so $5. So there is this industry standard of everything you sell on Fiverr, everything, yeah, you should charge $5. But that's not true. You can charge more than that, and a good example is this lady here. She's charging packages. So there are 3 packages. They don't $10, $20, and $30. And of course, under each package, she charges, she provides different services, yeah, or different quality of services. And then the client now comes and orders this. So here on Fiverr, the client finds you. Yeah, the clients comes, look at your profile and say, okay, I want to hire your services. And like on Upwork, here the client comes and publish, an advertiser says, okay, I'm looking for this kind of work to be done. And then you as a freelancer, you submit a bid, you submit a proposal. Then most of, more than, so if you look, I don't know if it will allow me to sign in without, to look at it without signing in. So let me sign in to Fiverr, to Upwork, and then we can look at how it works. Yeah, so once you go to Upwork, just come to find work. And then you can now see jobs that you might like here. So a good example is post reviews on business listings, copywriting, copy-paste, United States and United Kingdom, import tips for researching new electric, other content writing, rewriter. So let's look at this one. So as you can see, this client is looking for a talented writer for articles and short ebooks. And of course, this is his budget, $25. Now, what you need to do is just click apply now. And then, of course, pick now the profile that you want here, that you have here. And then now you need to submit a proposal here, cover letter, attachments, and all that stuff. Then click here, send now. What happens here with Upwork is they have what we call connects. So these are like the, in-website currencies. The connects. So as you can see, I have 203 connects. So if I was to apply for this job, it would consume 4 of this. Yeah. So once you run out of this, you can no longer send proposals. Now remember, you need your profile to be complete. Yeah. You need a complete profile. Now inside your Upwork profile, as you can see, mine is 100%. So this is what you need to provide. You need to provide your image. You need to provide your employment history. So if you have that, you provide education. If you have, you can even provide a video introduction. You need to provide a portfolio and certification. Yeah. And then, so these are the ones that I've completed. So I've provided experience, profile picture, overview, and skill. Yeah. So you need to make sure that it's 100%. These are the 2 examples of freelance marketplace, and that's where you can find jobs. Another way to find clients is to network with other writers and professionals in your industry. So this is where it comes down to your network is your net worth. Yeah, it comes down to who you know. So if you are friends with a writer with surplus work, they can pass some of it to you. That's the idea. So you need to know other writers in your industry. You need to know other professionals in your industry to find, to find connections to work.